Hi guys! If you're watching this video, then you probably already know that NKU's Honors College made a Discord server. We're guessing that many of you have probably never used Discord before, so we're making a video to kind of show you the ropes. The hope is that this server will kind of serve as a honors lounge and that you can talk to people, make friends, you can ask our ambassadors questions, and you can even join up to 8 people in a type of study room, just like our conference room. So the first thing we really need to talk about are some settings. So if you don't have one of those fancy headsets that really are good at controlling audio, then there's a setting on Discord that can help control some background noise that you may be having. So if you click the user settings button towards the bottom of the screen, and you go to voice and video, you can choose this push to talk setting. When you do this, you are always muted unless you press a certain key on your keypad that will unmute you while you talk, and when you let go of the key, you'll be muted again. So you can set whatever key you want. So say I want the spacebar, that's a good choice. You can press the spacebar, hit stop recording, and now that is your new key for push to talk. So push to talk is a great way to make sure we don't have any issues with background noise. Another good setting that you might want to set is your notification settings. So if you go up here next to our server name and you click notification settings, you can choose what types of notifications you're wanting to receive. I personally recommend this one where you only get a notification if somebody mentions you. That way you're not getting a notification for every single time somebody says something in the server. So now we need to talk about how to actually use this server. So here on the left, you can see all the different channels that we have made. You have 2 different types of channels. You have text channels and voice channels. Text channels are these with the # next to them, and then the voice channels are the ones with the speaker. So in text channels, you are just sending messages to each other, like so. And a voice channel, you actually connect with audio, and you can turn your video on, much like a Zoom call. You can also share your screen, and down here, you can even mute yourself if you need to. To disconnect from these, you have to hit this disconnect button. And now I just want to go through each of the channels that we've made and show you what they're used for. So our first one here is our announcements. This is just a text channel, and this is where the Honors College can share different announcements with you. So updates on Lunch and Learns, HSA meetings, and any other news we might want to share. Right below this, we have another channel, it's just a text channel, and it's called Ask Ambassadors. In this channel, you can ask our honor student ambassadors anything, and any of them that have an answer can get back to you. Below that, we have kind of the same deal. It's called Ask Faculty. I'm not sure how many faculty we'll actually have on the server, but in the chance that some of them do decide to join us, then this will be a great place to ask faculty questions. And then we have the fun one. This is our Honors Lounge. This is another text channel. You can come here and just chat with people. You can meet new friends, all sorts of things. Down the line, if this becomes a popular place to hang out, then we can make other channels that are more directed towards certain types of conversations, depending on what's popular. We have another Honors Lounge channel, but this one is a voice channel. And in the same way that you join a text channel by just clicking on it, you join a voice channel the same way. When you join a voice channel, it'll connect to your speaker and your microphone, and you'll be connected. You can turn on your video just like a Zoom call, and you can also share your screen. And then down here, just like in a Zoom call, you can mute yourself. To disconnect from a voice channel, you have to click this disconnect button. And then we have a list of channels for different types of meetings. So these first 2, if you're not an honor student ambassador and you're not a part of the HSA e-board, then you don't really need to worry about, because these 2 channels are locked just for those people. So the ambassadors channel is a great place for the different ambassadors to talk to each other. If you're not an ambassador, you can't access this channel. And the same goes for the HSA e-board. If you're not a part of e-board, then you're not gonna be able to get into this channel. But we do have a text and a voice channel for the HSA meetings. If we decide to start doing HSA meetings in Discord, this will be a great way to do that. And then A really cool feature that we made are these study rooms. So only 8 people can join them at a time. And much like the conference room used to be used in the Honors Lounge, this is a great place to get together with a couple friends and you can chat together, you can study and do homework, but we actually have 4 different study rooms, so we can have 4 different groups of people hanging out at the same time. So this has been a really quick introduction to the Discord server. I hope it's been helpful to those of you that don't really know how to use Discord, and I really hope to see you guys in the server soon.